I tell moms, I say, so the next time you go to a doctor's office where you have to fill out one of those little forms and it says occupation, I want you to put, I'm kind of a big deal. I'm a mom.
It's Channel Mom with Jenny Dean Schmidt. We're here for you.
Brought to you by Pediatric Dental Group of Colorado, creating positive and rewarding dental visits for kids of all ages since 1977.
Hey, welcome back to Channel Mom. We are here for you, Mom. If you think nobody notices all that you do and all that you're committed to and all that you're crying about and all that you're struggling with, we understand, and that is why we are here for you and why we created this show. So welcome back to Channel Mom. I want to bring in Kat Lee, who is the mom blogger who writes on a blog called Inspired to Action, and I found her through a friend, I believe, and really good stuff on her blog. I like the writing. I like the photos they put up there, the videos, the podcast. They're just on any given day, any mom could go out there and identify with something on the website and be encouraged by something. It goes from moms of little ones all the way up to teenagers and beyond. So I think it could be a help to you. Welcome to the Channel Mom Show, Kat.
Thanks, Jenny. Thanks for having me. A lot of times as moms, we feel like what we do doesn't really matter. If we're in a group of people and somebody says they're a lawyer and somebody else says they're a doctor and they say, what do you do? And you're a stay-at-home mom, you say, I'm a mom. And you say it in a without the pride and nobility, really, that the role gives to us. And so I want moms just to feel like, man, God has chosen you for your children to raise these people to be amazing, to have a powerful impact in other people's lives.
And God bless you for saying what you just said, because yes, I used to be on television. I was a TV reporter. If you listen to the intro to the show, I talk about how people thought I was a big deal when I was on, well, sort of a big deal. It wasn't like I was Angelina Jolie or anything, but they thought I was more important because I was on television, and at parties I could say I'm a TV reporter. And then I became, quote unquote, just a mom, and that's how people say it sometimes, and people no longer thought I was important. So God bless you for having this heart's desire to go out to moms and say, oh, no. You're just as important as any old TV reporter or attorney at a party, because you're raising the next generation and you can do it well. Think of the man who made over that veteran. That boy was raised by somebody to make over that veteran.
Yes. I love what you say on your site, just that you want moms to understand that they are celebrities to their creator. And that's just so true. I love to encourage moms and say, you know what, to your kids, you are a superhero. You can get those itty-bitty little flat Lego pieces apart. You can get the straw into the Capri Sun. To your kids, you are bigger than Taylor Swift. When you pick up your kids from school or from Sunday school, they would not be more excited to see anyone but you. You are a big deal. And so I actually, when I go and speak places, I tell moms, I say, so the next time you go to a doctor's office where you have to fill out one of those little forms and it says occupation, I want you to put, I'm kind of a big deal. I'm a mom.
That's
and
right.
It's been so fun because it's true. I love how Ann Voskamp says God's kingdom is an upside down kingdom, and the least the least shall be the greatest, and the greatest shall be the least. And motherhood isn't necessarily praised. Nobody says, "Wow, you're a mom. Tell me all about it."
Yeah.
But the impact and power that we have is just it's remarkable.
Yeah, the world would stop without moms. I mean, literally. Right. But a lot of people don't stop to think about that we're raising this generation, and without moms doing it well, we're done. We're absolutely done. And people should be hugging moms year round the way that we should be hugging veterans year round, speaking of Veterans Day.